Hello, third graders. Your trusty third grade favorite teacher, Miss Snell, is here with you to show you how to do a book review. So a book review pretty much tells the reader or potential reader if it's worth their time, waste of time, or somewhere in the middle. And total worth your time would be 5, waste of time would be 1, 3 is kind of in the middle, and then you can go a little bit up or a little bit down from there. So I have chosen to review Freckle Juice, which we read together as a class. But again, if you are choosing this, you're going to do Bunnicula. So I talked about gave a little bit in the first paragraph about what the story was about, just kind of the plot, what the problem is, and I'm not giving away the ending, but how it kind of made him feel. Then I talked about a part that maybe wasn't my favorite, or that someone might find not their favorite part, and then I talked about a part that I really liked. And in my conclusion, that last paragraph down there, I said, I'm giving the book 5 stars because the author did a great job helping me to visualize the story and connect with both characters. So again, you're going to give a little bit of background. You're going to talk about maybe a part they won't like, a part that you loved, and then again, your 5-star recommendation. Or maybe it's not a 5-star, but it might be something else to you. But again, you're going to give your reasons to support it. Have fun, kiddos, and we will see you later.